to make rubber band, a bracelet rubber bands. All you need is amount of rubber bands and a paper clip. And first take 2 of them, and then just, okay, so then just overlap. Well, just squeeze them like a bow first, and then overlap them, like make a plus sign, and then you got the plus sign. It's sort of messy, it's okay. Then, but if you know how to do this, then you don't have to watch this video. And there we go. The first one done. And now take another one and put it in. Make a bow again.
An unknown life form was spotted on a snake camera in a North Carolina sewer.
Take the other one.
And scientists are still working to identify it. It kind of pulsates
and there you go.
It's just like
we're done.
Flesh almost.
And
here's a picture.
Also,
no one knows what it is right now, but I have an explanation.
Paper clip.
It's an alien.
And I'm sorry if there's any people you see. Well, there's no people around, but if you see any, or if you hear anything, then I'm very sorry about that. And there you go. Please subscribe, comment, and like. There you go. Bye, YouTube.